Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessed channel. And in this video I'll be guiding us how to farm this airdrop called Verychat. Yes, Verychat is an airdrop we should not joke with, just like Pi. Yes, and also you can see now they own their own blockchain. Also P2P listing is very soon, and their total supply is 10 billion. You see, and currently if you have it, you can sell it now. If you have it and you do your migration and your KYC, you can sell it now. I think currently one is 20 naira. Yes, one is 20 naira, 30 naira now. So if you join our group, you can buy it or sell it there. Yes. So in this video, I'll be guiding us step by step how to farm this Verychat airdrop, and also I'll also show us how to do your KYC, how to migrate, how to accumulate more points. Yes, and how to migrate. I'll be taking us through in this video. Yes, how to do all those things. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe for more, so that whenever we drop any airdrop like this, YouTube will notify you. Yes, and also we give out free signal, futures, and spot trading. Yes, you can join all our social media platforms, our WhatsApp group, and our Telegram channel, so that whenever we drop signal, you can take it and be part of it and trade it. Yes, so we'll be starting now. All right. So the first thing you need to do, you just need to register first. If you are not yet on this airdrop, you just need to register. Yes, you need to register. Just click on the link. I believe the link in the description and comment section. Just click on the link. When you click on the link, I think you'll be asked to put the referral code. You can see my referral code here, mochidi. You can just copy it, can you write it and put it there. That is what you just click on the link. You take it to where you are putting referral code, I think something like that. Yes, you register. So after the registration, you see this is how the interface look like. So you'll be coming here to touch something. There's something that will be popping up here. Be touching it. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, something will be popping up here. You have to just touch them and activate it. You understand? Yes, I think the mining end every 12 hours, right? Or 8 hours. Yes, 12 hours, I think. Yes, 12 hours. So once you open it, you just have to touch something here and accumulate and activate it, then it will start running. Yes, here is your point. As you can see, I have 1,000 plus so far now. Yes. So, and it can also, you have to click here also. Once you activate it, you can see this box side, this box here, yeah, you click on it. Yes, you can also end from here. Yes, so if you click on open here, let me be showing us this thing. So if you click on open here, you get any of these, you get any of these. You understand, right? Or if you click or if you click on times 10 chance up, then you watch adverts, then you earn more also. Yes, what I do most of the time is that advert, and sometimes I'll do click on open here, then let's just try and see. Now let's just click open. They'll give us one of these. Okay, you can see now they gave me 5 very claim. Yes, so they have given me now. So if I want to earn more, maybe after 1 hour or 4 hours, or when you are coming to activate this when you are coming to activate the next mining, when the mining end, you are coming to reactivate it, you go there again and claim it. You get. So how do you do your KYC? So once you start mining, as you just start mining, very soon you will be notified. Yes, you'll be notified. I think it's somewhere here. As you're mining, you'll be notified somewhere here. Something will show here that it is time for your KYC. You'll be notified to do your KYC. You understand? Alright, so how do you migrate now? So the migration, you must have 1,000 Verychat points before you can migrate. Before you can migrate, you must have. You can see now I have 1,000 plus now. So my migration is pending already. So if I just click there now, all you have to do is click there, click somewhere here. You have to click here. Okay. Let's try now. Okay. I think network. Alright, so that's open. I have to click on that point, and you see all this. So you can see my migration is pending because I already have 1,000 plus. So my own is processing. Migration is processing and pending. You can see it here. So now you have to click on another way to end. Click on reward here. You see your reward there. If you want to check your reward, you can see it here. You can see now I started mining. This is my 7 days now. Let me show you. So you can see my daily trek. Days trek here. You can see it here. You can see it here. 7 days now. Okay, you can also see this step here. There's what we call a node. This one also, you also earn it when you are working. You know how node mining works. When you are working, you can earn it by then. You can see now I earned 75 2 days. That is 2 days. This is what I earned for today. Yes, how do you earn this? How do you do this? Once you just start mining, you'll be asked to activate your node. Yes, I think somewhere here. You'll be asked to activate your node. In case, let me draw it down and show us. Okay, you can see my own here is running. You can see it here. This is what I earned today, 76 step. That is when I was working today, when I work out. This is what I earned. You can see it, but I earned 76. Okay. So in case you can't find it like there, in case you can't find your own is not running, is not working, all you need to do, let me show us now. You have to just go back here to the app. Go and locate the app, Verychat. Okay, you have to click it and hold it. Then, in case you are not seeing your own running, you understand? That is what I'm trying to show us now, because you earn it by there also. So you click on app info. So you go down. You see battery here. Click on the battery. So ensure your own is unrestricted. If your own is on restricted or optimized, it will not run. Ensure your own is unrestricted. So that's when your own will be working. Your own the point will be added to you whenever you are working, you are going or you climb bike, something like that. It will start earning for you. You get. Alright, so these are the way to earn. Now the last thing we need to show us now how to connect your wallet. Yes, you need to connect your wallet. Now just activate your wallet or register your wallet. What you need to do is you have to click on this wallet here. When you click on the wallet here, you can see the wallet here. I'm coming. Okay, it's not moving. So you just click on this wallet. Click on wallet. You'll be asked to input your email and connect and create wallet. You get. After you create wallet, they also ask you for your secondary email. In case you lost your first email, you'll be asked to input your secondary email to create your wallet. So all this stuff you have to pass through you to create your own wallet. Yes. That is how to create your wallet. Just click on that wallet and follow the procedure. So in case you want to invite, you click on this invite here. Yes, click on invite. In case you don't know how to get your referral link, just click on this invite here. So you can copy your referral link from here. Click on this get 50 for you and friend. Then you click on it, you can see you can forward your link to any of your friends and invite them to earn more. So this coin is not a coin we should joke with. It's a very good coin. I mean, it's a very good airdrop. You should not joke with it. And as I was saying, currently you can sell it now, and one is about 10 naira now or 20 naira per one now. So if you want to sell it or you want to buy, you can check the group description or comment section. Our escrow group is there. You can buy any coin or sell any coin there. Just join the group and ask. You can buy it there. Yes, and also I'll be leaving the link to our signal group. If you are not yet on our signal group, because we drop free signals. Yes, join the group, WhatsApp group for the signal whenever we drop signal, so that you can be part of. You can take it and trade it whenever we drop signal. Yes, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.